Okay, so in the previous video, we added a Facebook successfully to our sites, and we had a look at the app API and the app ID and the app secret and that kind of stuff. So you now have a familiarity as to exactly how to integrate that into your site. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna integrate Twitter, and I'm just going to go Twitter for WordPress because I want the Twitter the original. I don't want phonies, I don't want those guys. That's like these guys. We can see that, okay, WordPress, Twitter for WordPress, and let's have a look at who's the author of this. You see, author is some random Indian guy. So what we want to do is we want to actually add the right Twitter, the one that is developed by Twitter itself, and we just need to look for that. There we go, WordPress on Twitter, and oh no, that's also just a fake. So you got to look around to get the right people, and this one is actually Twitter. So let's have a look. Oh no, it's not. So I'm gonna go back to my plugin. Maybe this is gonna be better if I go to add new, and I actually go to Twitter itself. Once I'm at Twitter, I can go to you can see what's the most popular by going to so this is not what we want. That's one thing about WordPress is there's so much nonsense in between everything. Like it takes time to get the right thing. So I'm just gonna go to popular, and in popular we can have a look at what is popular and how we can use that. So Jetpack is a plugin that supercharges your self-hosted WordPress site to the awesome cloud power of WordPress.com. So that's not really what we want. And I'm just scrolling down to check if there isn't something that we can use here that's going to help us. There we go, WordPress to Twitter, and we're going to go and install that. It's quite popular, so I'm not even going to waste my time looking at the reviews. I'm just going to install and see what we can do with this. So I'm going to go and activate the plugin, and unfortunately I don't have a Twitter account. I don't believe in Twitter, so I'm going to show you the steps as to how to get it working, and that's kind of where we're going to stop with that. So you can see that it will show you step by step what to do. It says Twitter requires authentication by OAuth. You'll need to update your settings to complete this installation. So you can click here and say update your settings, and once you have done that, you can probably just ignore this. You can probably just ignore this message if it doesn't go away, because it's supposed to be updated anyway. So in this, it will show you exactly how to connect Twitter. It says you've got the same as Facebook, where you have the app ID. So and Twitter, you've got the consumer key and the consumer secret, as well as the access token and the access token secret, and you can say connect to Twitter. And once you've done that, that will connect successfully to your Twitter account. So everything that you post on your posts and will automatically be displayed on your Twitter. So if you open this up, you'll see that you'll have a section right here like this that will show you, okay, what do you want to tweet, so that everybody can see it. So then you can have a custom Twitter post instead of the Twitter post cutting it off for you. You can actually go and add a custom section, which is quite handy, because I mean, you don't want your stuff to be cut off at a certain place that you don't have control over. Because I mean, let's say you have specific stuff that you want to say to attract clients, and you would add it to the WordPress and to Twitter. And you've got extra options here that can help you as well. It says tweet this post or don't tweet this post, and it gives you the options that you can use. Gives you a couple of hashtags that can also help you. So that's the thing about WordPress to Twitter. At the same, or if Facebook is connected correctly, we'll also give you that couple of options. Mine is not connected correctly because I don't want to give my actual app ID on this videos, but you can go and just literally put the secret, and once you've done it, you've got the same options as Twitter is currently giving you. So that's in essence connecting social media integration, and you can take a step further and actually go and say login plugin where social plugin WordPress, and you can have a look at what is the famous plugins that will allow you to actually accomplish what you want. Social login is quite a famous one, so you can go and down. I'm gonna go and download this quick, and we're gonna add this to our site real quick. So we're gonna go to the plugins. I'm going to add a new plugin because we're going to upload this. So I'm going to press on the upload button. And then I'm going to choose the upload, and I'm going to install right now. And that's what we're currently going to do. We're going to install this plugin real quick. And once it is installed, we can go activate plugin. And you can say it's a thank you for the So we're gonna go to the social login, and we need to connect this now. So it says get started. To be able to use the plugin, you need to access ONL, so one and all. So we can set up an account. So you need to go and securely set up an account with them. And once you've done that, then it will automatically add the API for you, and you can connect all these if you want to. And when you start connecting these up, then people can log in with their Facebook account or with their Twitter account, which is important because a lot of people don't want to create their want to create a actual how can I say, actual login with your site, because they, at the end of the day, it gets a lot of people get a lot of, how can I say, a lot of login details at a lot of websites. So this is just summing that up and using one for all, and that's quite cool. So that is integrating extra social media into your website.